This motherfucker's whack.
But I had his hair, bitch. That does it. All I need to do is get one of my wigs.
Flip the hair. Where the other one? Where the wig at, too? It's over here. Hold on, get it for me. Get it for me. Would you put it right now?
Just lean.
Get it for me, please.
Oh, yes, you showed us.
You killed me at this fucking ball at the club, nigga.
These shoulders.
Mother!
I didn't get my curls, bitch. Not for long.
I got money. I got money.
It's all wrong.
Money.
It's all wrong.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
I can't see it now.
Oh, nigga, can I take a picture of you, nigga? Nigga, I ain't gonna show nobody. I just want to be your mother when you call.
You just like that. You stupid. Why is it still wrong?
It is wrong.
Yes, it's wrong.
Because this is supposed to be like this. Pull it now, and then I just pull it. Yeah.
Yeah, like a sheep. Oh, okay.
Turn it over some more. Left, yeah. Oh, it just look wrong. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Pull it down some. Get it off your forehead. Pull it back a little
I'm about to
bit.
put that on Facebook.
Smooth. Pull it back a little bit. Ooh,
I'm
ooh.
about to put it on Facebook.
Ooh, you look like shit. You look like shit.
I'm happy you're not a real girl. Not a real girl.
I'm a real boy.
Okay.
Now for real, like when we went to the store to get this hair, the lady in the store thought she was a dude for real.
And I told her ass I was a girl.
Yeah, and she did not believe her. Word for damn. She said, yeah, you a girl with that wig on.
Yes. Pose. You better pose. Oh my goodness. I quit.